What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at an easy way to create a logo for your live stream, for your YouTube channel, for your side hustle, your business, whatever you got going on. This is going to be a super easy way to create a logo, and I hope you stay tuned because you can actually create some logos on here for free, and then have some more premium options with some other really cool things that you can use as well. Let's run that intro and get into it. What's going on, guys? Chad here, and today we're going to be creating a logo inside of Canva. If you need a logo for your YouTube channel, your live stream, or business, this is going to be an easy solution for you. There's free options as well as paid options with this, with the Canva Pro subscription. So there are some of the things that you're going to see that have a little crown by it. That's basically going to denote that you need a Canva Pro subscription. And I believe for the first month, it's like $1 or something super cheap like that. And then I think a Pro subscription every month is like less than 10, 12 bucks. So it's super cheap, especially if you want to use some of the other features. But I wanted to get that disclaimer out there right now that some of the stuff that you might see today might be paid. And I'll try to point that out while we go through this step. So first, you're going to want to head over to Canva, and then under Canva, once you're signed in, we're going to go to Design Spotlight and Logos. And once we're here, we're going to click on Create a Logo. This is going to bring up the logo maker. And as you can see, it's already populated the left-hand side with gaming stuff because that's what I've been kind of researching for this tutorial. But if you want to use it for anything else, like another business or something, click on the search box up here and type in whatever you're looking for. So if I was setting up, say, something for donuts, a donut shop, or maybe a taco truck, or my own, just any kind of restaurant, you can go down through here and find different options and edit those as well. Or if you're looking for gaming, like I know a lot of my viewers are, you could just click up here and type in something like gaming and click search. And then you'll be presented a bunch of options for gaming logos. So there's a bunch of them in here. I know some of you for streaming are going to want probably something more like a mascot logo or a really cool letter like graphic that's pretty basic, but just kind of for whatever you go by on your stream. For me, I'm going to do something kind of basic so I can show the tools and kind of show the different ways that you can use them. So we're going to go with this King template here. So I'm going to click on it. And then before we get started, I do want to mention that there's different template styles. So the template that you might pick maybe isn't the color that you want. Some of them are already set up with template styles. So you can click up here and actually change the style and the look of it. So if you wanted a white background with black text and a black logo, you can just do that and it will change it all for you, which is super, super easy. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start customizing this, and it is super easy to customize. If you didn't like this crown, you can click on it, click delete, and we can go up into the element section and search for anything else that we want. So if we wanted a mascot, we can search for a mascot, and we can go in and under graphics probably. Yeah, we could go in here and let's say we wanted to go with, let's go with this one. This is a pro one. Actually, let's go with something that's not pro for those of you that don't want to pay. I understand completely. I was in that position at one point in time and everything had to be free. So let's say we wanted to go with something like this. We can grab this, scale it down, center it. There you go. Now you got a mascot logo. But if I wanted to undo this, I can hit that undo button because I really do like this crown that comes with it. And let's say we just didn't want to be King Events Team. Let's say we wanted to be King Esports. We can click on the text here and we can actually rename it. So just double click on the text, make sure it's all highlighted, and then we're going to type in esports. So there we go. We got esports, but I have a problem with this. I don't like it. The esports is just too small. So let's highlight all of that. And then let's click this little plus button up here and bump the text size up to where it's about the same size as King. And there we go. We have that done. And now we need to add some color, right? Because if you have a brand, a black and a white logo is okay, but there's no color. There's no theme for your website or for any of your products or whatever you might want to use this for. You don't have any color. So let's go ahead and add some color in. And to do that, we're going to click on, I think I'm going to leave the King white. And I think I want to change the color of the crown and esports down here. So I'm going to double click on esports, highlight all that. And then we're going to click on this little color picker here. And then we're going to find a color that we think works with it. I think either a purple or a gold would look pretty cool here. So let's go with purple because that kind of has like a royal kind of feel to it. And then we're going to do the same to the crown. I want to do that and then purple. And I think that looks pretty cool. You might have some contrast problems with that. What I'm seeing is on this black background, it doesn't actually pop as much as I'd want to. So maybe we try the gold, and that actually looks pretty cool. So let's change that text to gold too. So we can click on that and then change color. And the neat thing up here in Canva is there are document colors. So if you have another color already in the document, you can actually just select it and you'll know it matches. But we need to make sure that we highlight all that first, then select that, and then change that color. All right, so now that we have our logo created, let's go ahead and export it from Canva. This is really easy to do. All we're gonna do is go to the top right-hand corner, click on Share, Download, and then you can click Download. You have other options here such as changing the file format. They've got good descriptions on them as well. So SVGs is best for web design and animation, MP4 videos, GIFs, PDF printing, PDF standard, PNG, and JPEG. Pretty much anytime you do a logo and graphic design, I would recommend exporting it as a PNG if you're using it for, say, a profile picture or even some backgrounds if the file size fits. And then if you're saving this transparently as a logo, I would definitely suggest an SVG. An SVG is going to be able to be scaled up and used on any kind of merchandise or anything that you want to use in the future. So go ahead, download one as PNG, and then if you have Pro, go ahead and download one as SVG as well. So one of the things you'll want to do if you plan on downloading it transparently, future Chad here, and I noticed something that will save you quite a bit of time. I went through the process of deleting the background. So whenever I saved it as a transparent image, we wouldn't run into the problem of there still being, say, like a black background. You don't have to worry about that at all. Whenever you select PNG, if you select the option to export a transparent background, it just automatically removes the background for you and you don't have to worry about it. Now back to the video. Share, download, and then click transparent background, and let's download again. So now we should have some downloads. And as you can see here, here is our first image that we downloaded without a transparent background. And here is the one we downloaded with a transparent background. So there it is. It's that easy to create a logo inside of Canva. And if you want to see more videos on Canva for, say, advertisement, marketing, just graphic design, thumbnails, maybe even YouTube shorts and TikTok style formats inside of there, let me know in the comments down below because I'm very curious to see what you guys think and what you guys want from the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Chad from How To Tech. Maybe think about clicking on one of those videos down there. One is recommended specifically for you, so you should like it. YouTube thinks so. And yeah, get subscribed if you aren't already, and maybe more Canva content coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.